on how many decimals does the stage 1 upgrade kit have on the engine. Right now we have, it is really windy out today, so right now it's going up and down. The average is 77.3 right now, and I'm going to start it up to see what it actually is. Brake is locked. From taking the go-kart around the block, this is what the max was. On the video before I was showing, that's what the volume is. Right in the seat driving. When I did put it to the exhaust, I got 126.3 on the muffler. So it is quite loud. If you do live by a whole bunch of people, definitely get a silent.